All right, this is Miss Enid Bo Monroe, and we're down here in Forbes Hill, right in front of the old schoolhouse. And Miss Enid, I'm telling you, you're famous on these grounds today for these conch fritters. Now, how come they so good?
Well, to tell the truth, when you're doing conch fritters, you gotta know what you're doing.
Okay.
You gotta know the amount of stuff, what you're putting in. Because some people have 3 conch and want 100 conch fritters.
You can't do that.
You can't do that.
No.
You gotta put conch.
Plenty conch.
Plenty conch.
Wow.
To get the real flavor.
Exactly.
But it's a special thing, even if you have plenty conch. I shouldn't say this. But anyhow, if you got 2 old ones, then when you know you dry and put on the line, that got that real flavor.
Okay.
You get that conch water and mix it with the young fellas, then will just come around.
Right, I like that.
And
that's the first time in my life I ever heard anybody call conch fellas. I love that. So where you born and grow?
Right in Palm Beach.
Okay.
The next settle right from Forbes, so just a step forward.
Okay.
Born and grew in 1925, the 7th of July.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means that you will be what, 85 this year?
84.
What was it like growing up here in Forbes Hill, Miss Enid?
Well, it was a pleasure growing up in our days. Because what these children going through it now, we didn't know nothing about that.
No, no.
When school time, the same Forbes Hill school, we come up to school in the morning and then ground swell on sometime. We go, get a little bed, before we, them school clothes on now, you know.
Right. What?
We take our clothes off, we go get a little swim, come out, rinse the skin off, the school bell ring and you take off. It's school.
What? You
Right.
serious? Well, what was the secret to your youthful looking self? Because you just turned 84 and I mean, I'm telling you, you don't look nowhere near that.
Well, I ain't never gonna look like that.
How come?
Because I'm not lazy. Give me my grubbo and my cutlass. I straight. Eddie, listen to this. I know you can hear it. I drank my peanuts in January and February last year. I was drinking peanuts. When I finished, he gave away my field. Say, Mom, you're not waking anymore. You're too old for this. You ain't going to change. You're do it.
Wow.
I say, boy, you don't know what you're doing. That's my exercising machine.
That's right.
You see?
Miss Enid, thank you so much. This was a special treat to talk to you. That's Enid Bo Monroe from right here, Forbes Hill, Palm Beach, which is the neighboring community. Born and grew up right here. She says she ain't lazy. She liked to work. And Eddie, you better learn this thing here. Give her back her field. Native show, Miss Enid. Take care.
Go! Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Don't! Win it! Let's go, let's go!
These are the winners of the egg and spoon race. And Bianca, I'm going to start with you. You won that finals for the young people. What was your technique? How do you think you won this race today?
Because I was concentrating.
Because you were concentrating. Okay. Is that the first time you've ever done the egg and spoon race?
Yes, Mom.
All right. Well, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
All right. Now, this is Mr. Miguel Bullard. How are you?
Fine.
All right. Now, you do the egg and spoon race a lot?
No, Mom.
Your first time?
Yes, Mom.
Wow. What was your technique out there, Miguel?
Just not to let nobody else win.
Wow. So congratulations to you, Miguel.
Yes, Mom.
All right. Now, I tell you, you're taking up the rear, Mr. Finley. This is Adrian Finley now. All of us were in that race with you, and I mean, you made all of us look bad. So this is something you used to do from you were a little boy, eh?
Absolutely.
Okay. So what's the real secret?
All right, number 1, concentration. I checked out my competition,
Yes.
and I recognized that there was really no competition.
You ain't right.
I enjoyed it.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
All right, that's the boiled egg in the spoon race right here in Forbes Hill on Native Show. All right, now this lady is no stranger to Native Show. She's Marilyn Fitzgerald from the Ferry, and you are really, really passionate about rake and scrape footwork.
Unfortunately, Rake and Scrape gets no respect for the wonderfully creative performing arts that it is. People create footwork, people create pantomimes, and no one gives them credit. Rake and Scrape gets no respect.
You know, your passion is contagious, so thank you so much for continuing to push this rake and scrape and this footwork. It's going to become what you want it to be one day. Thank you.
I hope.
Right.
Thank you.
Native Show.
I didn't